Okay guys, so we have a new package from TLHP. So it's a French distributor of many brands, and I ordered something new. This is Kartesian sound. Let's check. The package came from France directly in 3 days, excluding weekend. So 3 days plus weekend. Yeah. It's well packed. Okay. Very well packed. Stuffed with green foam. Okay. Let's check. Merci. Okay, I don't know French, so probably not for me, but we have here, okay, Kartesian WOM 120, 8 ohm. Alright, we have double package, which is good. Okay, now we have manufacturer package, which is quite good. However, we have here number 7 and number 32, which is interesting, as we have the same production date. And the things inside are a little bit loose, but let's check. Okay. Let's check what's inside. Okay. Double layer cardboard. All right. That's it. Well packed. Very interesting driver. So it's paper. Suspension is quite interesting. We have interesting spider, big magnet, vented magnet, and number 7. All right. Check on my website the measurement of those speakers. And the other one, number 32. Interesting. What a surprise! Okay. Again, well packed. Let's compare. Okay. Good mounting system. Check the spider. It's connected together with the wire. Can you see that? Alright, magnet is really interesting. And the membrane, the cone as well. Aluminium basket, okay. Well vented. Let's compare it with Scanspeak.